birds and freeze leaps. Okay, first we're going to define each of those. Your average leap is where you stick your leg up, leap onto it while your back leg snaps to your bum. Then this leg that is up in the air steps, then your other leg closes behind. Now your left leg is in front, so you're going to stick that leg up, leap onto it, other leg snaps up behind, this leg is up in the air, so it steps forward, together, closes behind. Okay, from the front that looks like leap in front, behind. Leap in front, behind. From the back it looks like leap in front, together. Leap in front, behind. Okay, that's your average leap. A freeze leap is where you try to keep it up in the air longer, making it look like you're sort of levitating. And the way to do that is snapping up sooner in the back and keeping up longer in the front. It's really hard, so practice a lot. Leap, 2, 3, leap, 2, 3. It's all about snapping stuff, being sharp, and keeping it holding things as long as possible once they're in a snappy position. So, leap, 2, 3, leap, 2, 3. Front leg stays up a bit longer, snaps out faster, back leg snaps up faster, and flicks out faster. One more time on those. From the back. Leap, 2, 3, leap, 2, 3. And from the side, leap, 2, 3, leap, 2, 3. There really aren't very many tricks to getting that down except practice it. You can do exercises to strengthen your hamstrings and quads. That'll help a lot, but most of it's just practice. Okay, so that's leaps and freeze leaps. Birds are lift your leg, other leg hops underneath you. Okay, so from front, bird, woo, front, bird. Okay, so one leg is up, other leg hops underneath you. Those are way, way easier to do if you have momentum going into it. So with momentum going into it, and 1, 2, switch, step, bird, down. That's the easiest way for me to get into it. So that's the difference between a bird and a leap is the bird, this foot stays up the whole time. It doesn't go down until you finish the whole thing, and it stays in front or up top. You don't switch feet. Bird, down. Okay, leg stays up in the air the whole time. Yeah, so one more time. The intro step to get you into a bird easier is out, 1, 2, switch, step, up, bird, sorry, one more time on that bird, bird, down. So slow, one more time. You can also do a hop or a whip here, but for simplicity we'll call it an out. Out or hop, 1, 2, 1, 2, switch, step, hop, 1, 2, this leg comes up, switch, step, back leg comes up, bird, down. Okay, so one more time, super slow, hop, step, together, front foot comes up, switch, step, back leg comes up, bird, down. Okay, and fast, hop, 1, 2, switch, step, bird, down. That's another one where you want to snap down into the diamond. Hop, 1, 2, switch, step, bird, down. Okay, you can also try that on the left foot. Your left foot will be the one hopping. Hop, 1, 2, switch, step, bird, down. Okay, that's a bird. Strategies and techniques for making these look cleaner. First, most of it is about core strength and stability. So, imagery you can do to help you out here. Imagine a string I had one teacher call it zippers. So got all these zippers that help you tighten up your muscles, kind of engage them and keep aware of them. So zip right here, zip. Zip your shoulder blades, zip. Zip down like this, zip. Zip across your belly button area, I guess, zip. Zip across your hips, zip. And in the back too, zip. And she calls it the bike seat, so zip. And that just is supposed to help you think more about what your muscles are doing. So concentrate on keeping the zippers tight, closed, those muscles engaged, and hopefully that will help you as you practice. Besides just practicing, there are specific exercises you can do to help you strengthen those muscles. I'm not going to go over them in this video, but we will have a section later on core strengthening and stuff like that. Anything that helps you strengthen those is great. Okay. That also, by the way, if you're having problems with the gooseneck typing, goose, 2 to 3, goose, 2 to 3. That your core is mostly what's going to solve that problem. Good luck. Oh, okay, last thing, I want to show you each of those to music. So, this is, we're going to do it to an open reel, which is at speed 113 instead of 124 or 122. Because we almost never do birds in the beginner and intermediate steps, but you will start to do them in the novice steps, potentially. And that is at speed 113. So let's find it.